Meantime, low oil prices have been a welcome surprise to drivers this holiday season, but at least one fuel expert says people should start to fill up pretty soon. Senior petroleum analyst Dan McTeague says extreme volatility in oil markets are expected to continue to wreak havoc on gas prices in the early part of 2019. Despite a brief rally earlier this week, prices remain anywhere from 3 to 17 cents lower than they were a year ago right across the country.
The volatility, the extreme volatility that we are signaling will come to characterize 2019 has to do with really peaks and valleys. You're going to see low prices as you see now. You're also going to see significantly higher prices, especially as we head towards April when governments help themselves to a much higher price, carbon taxes, and higher taxes in 8 of 10 provinces. Just to mention the fact that we're transitioning back to summer gasoline then. And of course, the world demand picture is going to be very different.
The current oil oversupply can be traced back to U.S. President Trump's request to OPEC nations not to cut production, which has the effect of keeping prices down.